Hi, I am Flora, the apple drains here in Singapore. Now I'm teaching you how to unclog the basin. So, shall we start? So first is this. We are going to sink this one here. So this. Too many times. See? And this line, I'm showing you how to open this and clean in this side. So first is I turn open here, then the water will come out. Oh, see how dirty is it? So it must be clean so that the water will coming out and the water runs very clear and fast. See in here. See? Okay, now I'm teaching you how to clean in this side. First is we open here so that the water will run fast and it's not stuck anymore. We'll clean here. See how dirty it is. So the water will run here. Yeah. So dirty. See how dirty it is? You need to I need to use brush to brush and clean this. Then the water will run nicely. So I put in the bucket down to save all the water in. Now you see that in time you're cleaning here, all the dirty will coming out. It is stuck. I'm just using a brush to cleaning it in this area. Brush everything. Then So now, finish everything to clean out the dirty inside here. So now I'll show you how to put it back. So like this, must be sure this one is connected each other so that the water will not leak. Right, then putting it back. Now we finish already cleaning here and put it back. So let's try how it goes. So are you ready to see? I'll pour a lot of water here. How it goes our cleaning. So well done. And you heard the sounds over there. The sound is there, and you heard the sounds. The water runs fast. So that is how easy how to unclog the sink. So look at that. See how you hear the sound? Good. Well done. So that's it. See, the water runs very fast. Runs over here. You can hear the water run very fast. Okay, this goes from here. No stuck. Okay. Okay, we're done. Hi, this is Flora from with Apple Brains, reminding you, if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.